Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to add multiple resumes on Indeed. Having more than one resume allows you to tailor your applications to different job types, showcasing your specific skills and experiences. So, let's get started on how to add multiple resumes on Indeed. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then select Profile from the options. To include content from two resumes, merge your existing Indeed resume with an external file. Now, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Upload to replace CV and choose the second resume file from your device. Tap on Yes, Replace CV. Indeed will merge the content of both resumes into one file. Tap on the Review option to make any final adjustments. Once satisfied, save the updated resume. And that's how you can add two resumes on Indeed. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.